Guys, it's Carter. Welcome back to the channel. Hope you guys are all having a fantastic day today. Now in today's video, we are going to be talking about how we're already up a little over $1,000 in one day of swing trading stocks. We're going to be talking about our entry, exits, our risk management system with these positions. So I hope you guys all enjoy it. If you do, hit that like button and subscribe. And if you guys want to learn more about swing trading and how I find these stocks, our strategies, our approach, check out our school. It's fantastic. We have private live streams. We got quizzes, lectures, a group chat, but more importantly, we actually teach you to trade. It's not a get-rich-quick scheme. It's not alerts or anything like that. It's honest strategies that I've learned over the past 7 years of swing trading. So if you want to elevate your education, check it out, and you guys can get 20% off by using code YouTube. Only one spot left for that code, so sign up. Use that link, and I'll see you guys in there. But guys, let's jump into this. So I think we all know that yesterday we did take a losing trade. That stock did eventually rebound today, but in hindsight, it's not that big of a deal, because we used that sell-off yesterday as an opportunity. I never get fearful of sell-off. I always look at sell-off as opportunity, and I can get in. I can average down if some of the stocks start selling off. But one of the things that I do is I kind of follow, a little bit more blue chip stocks or larger cap companies during sell-off, and if I am going to be taking like a swing trade with my checklist, then I'm more going to be very, very confident and choose quality over just like a random stock, right? So we'll turn to the computer and see kind of our more recent swing trades here. So, the first thing I kind of want to talk about here is going to be the broker. Everybody always asks me the broker I use. The broker I use is Moomoo. They're absolutely fantastic. They offer charting, paper trading, scanning, all of that good stuff. So I'll put a link to them down below. You guys can get up to 20 free stocks just by signing up. So if you want to elevate your trading as well, check it out. All right. So one of the positions we took was RYAM. Now, the thought process I had was very simple with this. The stock sold off from $75 all the way to $60 in about a month span. So this sell-off here was about a 20% sell-off, which is actually huge for a stock, right? So it's like buying this stock all the way back, in mid 2024. So now we had this huge sell-off. It also was trading for a 24 on the RSI. The RSI stands for the Relative Strength Index. This pretty much tracks momentum to ensure you get in and the stock's just not going to continue to sell off. So the last time it was trading for that was back all the way in here where we had this great move. Previous to that was in here where we had this good move. So we knew there was a really high indication we could get some buying pressure here. So now after I did that here, we had that good upward trend, sold off down to, an undervalued RSI. It also was trading for near and around that 200-day moving average line. So now I'm looking at this and I go, okay, sold off. I don't want to get in and just have it continue to sell off. So what can I do? Lower time frame. And so now look at it, right? You guys can see if we remove the EMAs, you can see this huge downward trend. Let's remove this as well. This huge downward trend in this share price. Boom, boom, boom. So then the stock broke out, and that's exactly where we got in. We got in on that breakout here, and the stock's been rallying its way up ever since. So now we're just waiting for a nice trend to form or keep our stop, near and around, like 63-ish. So now we're up very, very handsomely on this trade. It's up 1%. We were up 4% yesterday, up 5% in, a little over a day, which is really, really good. So this is just what we call an hourly trend line breakout, because that's why we got in, because the breakout, and that's the confirmation we look for. All right, another stock we got in was MasterCard. You can see this huge steep sell-off of MasterCard going from about $5.15 all the way down to $4.99. I knew it was going to use that $500 as a very, very hard support. So that's where we got in, near and around that $500 mark, keeping our stop. Honestly, with this one, I thought we could get in if it does sell off a little bit. We could start averaging down because MasterCard does definitely carry a lot of potential. But given we squeezed up, literally $7 a share, that's a pretty good move in hindsight here. And this was more purely an in very, very undervalued RSIs why we got in on the daily, right? So it was trading for about a 33. Last time it was trading for a 33 was here where we had some good moves, every time it was trading there. So that's the thought process I had with this one. And if it does sell off, we could just continue to average down. Another one was this was VU. This is the Vanguard S&P 500 ETF. Very similar situation. We sold off here down to that blue line, which is a 90-day moving average line. So my thought process was getting in near and around that 90-day moving average line, keeping honestly our stop loss below the 200-day and average down if it does sell off. Because you can see in the past it's hit these points of contact and we've had some great buying pressure there. So now as we look at it, it hit it and it's been already moving its way up. We still actually have this, which is a little bit of a downward trend. So our price target's going to be near and around 549 for a move going up. But this is a very simple strategy, just using moving average lines, some RSIs, and even looking at the hourly, you guys can see this huge steep sell-off we've seen, and then it's been rallying its way up. So now we would love to see a breakout of the 90-day moving average line. So this is how we're already up, about $1,000 $1,000. And our stop loss for this, is kind of, we could keep it in here if we want to take profit. But if we just want to let this thing play out, we could just move it below it. But yeah, this is how we're already up, a little over $1,000. Here's our trading journal. Our trading journal is really, really good. We're up $1,053.50. Here's our trade breakdowns here. Now I'll put a link to this down below if you guys want to sign, if you guys want to get a digital, journal here, because what this does is it helps you focus on what's working, what's not working. So you can see here our trade performance is really good. 93% success rate, great P&L growth, great performance this past month here. So now we're just letting these stocks play out and maybe get in on another opportunity if one comes across. So guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this. If you guys want to learn more about swing trading and about how to find these stocks, check out our school. It's awesome. We have literally like hours of videos. We got all that good stuff. So make sure you guys click that link, sign up. I'll see you guys in there, and use code YouTube to get 20% off. So only one spot left for that code. And don't forget to sign up with Moomoo and check out our digital journal. We'll see you guys. Take care.